what's up, my YouTube comrades? It's your girl Stephanie. Welcome back to Stephanie the TV Show Girl. And today I am going to teach you how to make your own profile picture for your YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and your Google account. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the two apps that you need for this process is the Google app and PicsArt. PicsArt is the only app that you need to make a profile picture, and it's not complicated to use. It's very simple to use. I use it all the time. It's like super easy and simple to use. I love PicsArt, the best app ever in the world to make your own profile picture for basically any social media or any app that needs a profile pic. You need it. So yeah. Anyway, so sorry, that's a messenger notification from a group I'm in. Don't worry about that. But anyways, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to go on Google and type in any character from a show or any artist or any pop star or anybody you like and you want it for your profile. So you search that up on the search bar. Then once you're done, you click on the picture and then you click on download image, and then once it's done downloaded, you click on the PicsArt app. You click on the plus button and you click on the picture. I'm using Ringo Starr as an example. I know you just saw Blue for Blue's Clues on Google, but I did not save the picture. I was just showing you the blue image on Google for an example, but I'm using Ringo. Anyways, sorry, notifications from Messenger are coming up. I'm so sorry. But anyways, you click on the picture. You click on next. If you don't want to make it so simple, but if you do, you go to the back button, click on tools, click on shape crop, you click on circle, then you just crop it to however you feel like you want it to be. And then once you're done, you click on the arrow, then you click on save, then you click on next, then you click on save, then you click on download photo. Then once it says save to photo, then you click on the done button. And then yeah, that's basically it. Quick, easy, simple to do, just pretty simple. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you do not miss when I make a new video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah, this is Stephanie the TV Show Girl signing out. Peace.